Hey, welcome to today's episode. Today, we're diving into one of the most requested topics ever. How to do SEO on a $0 budget. Yes, zero. You heard it right. Because let's be real. Not everyone can throw hundreds or thousands at marketing, especially when you're starting out. But guess what? SEO doesn't have to be expensive. In fact, if you're willing to put in some hustle and smart strategies, you can rank on Google without spending a dime. So grab your coffee or tea or that cold drink you've been saving, and let's get into it. Segment 1. What is SEO? Without the boring jargon. Alright, before we dive into the action, let's break down what SEO even is. And no, I won't bore you with textbook definitions. SEO, search engine optimization, is basically how you get your content to show up when someone searches for something online. You know, when you Google best street tacos in LA and a website pops up first. That's not an accident. That's SEO at work. And the best part, Google doesn't charge you to show up in search results. It's not a pay-to-play like Facebook ads. You just have to be smart about how you show up, and that's what we're here for. Segment 2. Keyword research. Free tools, big results. Now, let's talk keywords. These are the words and phrases people type into Google. If you know what your audience is searching for, and you use those exact phrases in your content, you're already halfway to winning. Here's how you can do it with zero money. Google autocomplete. Go to Google and type something related to your topic. Like if you're a fitness coach, try typing how to lose belly fat and see what Google suggests. Those suggestions are based on real searches. People also ask, this is a goldmine. Scroll down when you search something and you'll see questions like, what is the fastest way to lose belly fat? Answer those in your blog posts or content. Ubersuggest, free version, by Neil Patel. Plug in a topic and it gives you keyword ideas, search volume, and competition level. Stick to low competition, high intent keywords. Answer the public, another awesome tool that literally shows you what people are asking around your keyword. Action step. Write down 10 to 20 keywords related to your niche that people are actively searching for. That's your foundation. Segment 3. Create killer content that actually ranks. Now comes the fun part, creating content. But not just any content. You want to create what I call Google Candy. This means content that solves real problems, is keyword rich without stuffing, is skimmable, readable, and valuable. Let's say you run a home cleaning business. Instead of just writing why hire us, you could create a post like 10 genius home cleaning hacks that actually work, backed by science. Boom! You've just turned boring into viral worthy. Use your keywords in the title, the first 100 words, a few headers, like H2s, the meta description, the image names. Yep, even those. And don't forget to make it shareable. Use bullet points, add a summary at the end, and include a call to action like, if this helped, share it with your messy friend. We all have one. Pro tip. Use Canva to create a free infographic summarizing your post. Infographics get shared like crazy and bring backlinks, which Google loves. Segment 4. On-page SEO, the invisible gold. On-page SEO is the stuff you do on your own site or blog. Here's what to focus on, all for free. Title tag, this is what shows up in search results. Keep it under 60 characters. Include your keyword Meta description. Under 160 characters. Make it juicy so people click. URL. Short, sweet, and keyword focused. Ditch the numbers and random gibberish. Internal linking. Link to other pages or posts on your site. This keeps people on your site longer. And Google loves it. Mobile optimization. Use a free tool like Google's mobile-friendly test. If your site's hard to read on a phone, you're losing. Visitors and rankings. Segment 5. Backlinks. The free authority boost. Backlinks are when other sites link to yours. They're like votes of credibility. But don't worry, you don't need a PR team to get them. Here's how to get backlinks for free. Guest blogging. Reach out to small blogs in your niche and offer to write a post. In return, you get a link back to your site. Broken link building. Use tools like Check My Links, a Chrome extension. Find broken links on other blogs. Then email the owner and offer your content as a replacement. Create linkable assets. Think free tools, calculators, ultimate guides. Things people want to link to. Answer questions on Reddit, Quora. Drop genuine answers and link to your site as a helpful resource, not spammy. Promotion challenge. Get 5 backlinks in the next 30 days using just outreach and Reddit. It's totally doable. Segment 6. Free SEO tools you'll love. Let's list out some absolutely free SEO tools that can help you do everything. Google Search Console. See how you're performing on search, what people are clicking, and fix indexing issues. Google Analytics. Track visitors, bounce rate, and which pages are winning. DIYSEO. WordPress plugin. Free plugin that helps you optimize posts as you write. Ubersuggest. For keywords and backlinks. Screaming Frog. Free version. Great for technical SEO audits. Segment 7. Make it go viral, even on a $0 budget. Want your content to explode? Here's how. Post it in niche Facebook groups, with value. Not spam. Repurpose into a YouTube short or TikTok. Use Reddit, but follow the rules. Create quote graphics from your post and share on Pinterest or Instagram. Bonus viral trick. Use trending formats. Like, I tried this one weird SEO hack, and my site jumped to page 1. Hook people in. Keep it fun. Make them curious. That's the secret to virality. Segment 8. Consistency beats everything. Look, SEO isn't a one-night stand. It's a relationship. It takes time, consistency, and care. But here's the good news. Every blog post you write, every backlink you get, every page you optimize, it all adds up. And over time, Google starts to trust you. You go from invisible to unmissable. So even if you're starting with $0, your time and effort can build a digital empire. That's a wrap for today's episode. If this helped you, do me a solid. Share it with someone who's grinding on their dreams without a budget. We're all in this together. And if you implement even half of what we talked about today, you're already ahead of 80% of your competition. Until next time, stay scrappy, stay savvy, and keep showing up on Google.